So in this 1969 280 SL, that is in excellent condition. This thing is in beautiful condition. We are coming out, it's been going between 38 degrees and 39 degrees out the dash. So that's working really good. This is the one that had the leak. That was from the other air conditioning shop, and that they double O-ringed. So let's see. We're good on our pressures, and there it goes. Oh my God, he said pressures. Yeah, 12 PSI on the low side on this vehicle is normal. Even if it's 80 degrees outside. As you can see outside, it's only 69 degrees, which we can see right. Well, let me take the glove off. Hold on a minute. I have too many gloves on. That's the outside temperature taken by another one of these temperature sensors right in front of the fan and the radiator up there and the condenser. So let's give us some RPMs. Get it up there a little bit. Come on. Why is my foot having a hard time pushing down? There we go. Got about 1,000 RPMs right there. Now it's really cold outside, and it will go below its 12 PSI, which is the factory specification. 12 PSI on the low side is normal for this vehicle. And since we're only 69 degrees outside, what is the actual temperature around here? Whether we're in Burlingame, 64 degrees. Okay, the high today will be 65 degrees. As you can see, we're overcast. And 38 degrees Fahrenheit right there. And because of the engine from the heat in front of the vehicle, instead of being 64 degrees, is 72 degrees at that point. Oh no, I know where that one is. It's at the fresh air intake right there. That's where I was taking that. Let's take a look at what I'm looking at. All right, let's go outside and I'll show you exactly where I had the air set, which was the wrong place for that kind of setup. This is not its fresh air. I was just curious. I was going to do this, but this is where I should be taking the fresh air from. Go right here. And because today is so cold, the high side pressure will never go up to 270 PSI. And I don't think I could hold this fan. I think this fan is, oh yes I can, maybe. It's hard. There we go. It's going. Let's see if I could drive that up. Where's this pressure temperature sensor? This temperature sensor is located, oh, maybe this doesn't have one. Hold on. Nope. It'll never go up. It's going up to 175. Right there. So right here would be a temperature sensor that would sense the discharge. This is the discharge from the compressor. I mean, not the compressor, from the, no, this is the discharge. This is the liquid line going back. So right here, a temperature sensor would go sensing the temperature of the refrigerant, so it would activate the auxiliary fan. But maybe either it was deleted, or maybe on this 1969 model they didn't have that on there for this one, which I won't know unless I go look it up. But I'm not concerned with that. I was only concerned about the leaks that they had here from double O-ringing over here and not putting on the O-ring correctly over here. And that is taken care of. All right guys, I will see you later. What year is this old tank? This tank is, oh, this is a new tank, 1998. That's one of my new tanks. As you can see, there's no re-inspections. 1912 and 92. And then, yeah, this is a 92 tank, 1992. And then first re-inspection date was supposed to be 1998. And then every 5 years which never happened. All right, guys, I'll see you later. We have a perfectly working, beautiful 1969 280 SL. Got another one there, got something going on there, and we got a little something going on there. All right, see you guys later.